Hello and welcome to this quick little bit of radio control news. This that I'm holding in my hand is a new Express LRS receiver from Flysky. Yeah, Flysky. Now, a little while ago, I did a video on their new radio, which was the PR01. Flysky have not only entered the world of HTX in a new radio, but also Express LRS. Now, they've had their own protocols for quite a while now, so it was really interesting to see a radio with Express LRS come out. And I guess that should have been a hint that they were going to do receivers as well, and they absolutely are. Now, this is the PR01. This is an Express LRS receiver, 100 milliwatt transmission power, 2 flat antennas, which give it antenna diversity, working voltage from 3.5 to 9 volts DC. It'll output CRSF or S-bus and weighs about 1.2 grams. Dimensions are 18 by 18 by 3.7 millimeters. Now, this shouldn't have been a surprise to me because actually, if you look in the Express LRS configurator, type in Flysky, you can see that there's 2 receivers listed. So although I've only got my paws on this one here that was officially released, I think yesterday, still can't see it on the website yet though. So when I find it, I'll put a link down below. There is another one as well, which I'm guessing will have more traditional antennas rather than the flat antennas. I'm not a massive fan of the flat antennas personally, but I know lots of people out there really like them. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'm struggling with this one right now, updating it and accessing it via the Wi-Fi stuff. All the usual tips and tricks are not working, but I will persevere. But I just thought I would kind of let you know that it looks like Flysky are absolutely on the Express LRS bandwagon. And it's fun to see more manufacturers getting behind the standard and giving us even more choice. So stay tuned. If I get hold of the other stuff, I will let you know. And if I figure out how to get this little sucker updated and access the Wi-Fi access configuration stuff, I'll do a video on that too. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.